Something interesting is happening on the market. The crypto industry is expanding rapidly, so fast that traditional methods could go extinct in a few years. In today's video, get ready for our crypto wallet. Visa announces exclusive Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum Wallet. We bring you the latest news and implications of Visa's latest move. Visa International Service Association has been looking to trademark its logo to allow customers manage, trade, access, store, and exchange digital currencies, blockchain assets, NFTs, and of course, cryptocurrencies. Visa's latest bounce in the crypto space is not so surprising. The current CEO of Visa, Alfred Kelly, believes crypto will become extremely popular in the next 5 years. That is why Visa firm is diligently making its way into the system. Visa has partnered with over 70 crypto firms, including wallet service providers and crypto exchange platforms, to facilitate its plan of diversifying crypto-related trading. The trademark was filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, on the 22nd of October, as disclosed by trademark attorney Mike Condoudis on October 27th. Information on the market also shows that Visa firm plans to enter into the NFT space and other digital areas. This journey began as far back as 2014 when the former CEO of the firm, Charlie Schardt, indicated that there were some interesting things about Bitcoin. 2 years ago, Visa decided to move further and filed a patent application that would allow for the creation of digital currency on a centralized computer using blockchain technology. This was definitely a leap toward the crypto space, but when 2021 witnessed the launch of crypto advisory services to aid the education of customers on asset class, the firm had indeed taken giant steps. Why is asset class so crucial to Visa? Let's find out in a little bit. We mentioned Bitcoin being an exciting area to explore for Visa. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were one of the first to design a structure that could get around banks, intermediaries, and all the other traditional payment methods. Now these payment methods are adopting crypto and blockchain technology. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried beautifully says, "It is a technology we see disrupting traditional payment networks." There is a decision you have to make as a conventional payments company. Do you want to lean into this, or do you want to fight against it? I respect the fact that many are leaning toward it. Also, Bitcoin Black, a VIP crypto credit card, exclusive to 10,000 members globally, is now available in the United Arab Emirates. Those with this card have no spending limit wherever Visa is accepted globally and receive up to 10% back in exclusive dollar SPN tokens. What is your take on Bitcoin Black? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Now on to digital assets. With rising inflation and currency volatility all across the globe, Bankman notes that one of the most extensive opportunities in upcoming markets is to make digital assets accessible in places other than the US, where these factors are more prevalent. In Turkey and Argentina, for instance, inflation topped 83 and 73%, making these countries a much more suitable environment for payment alternatives and generating a huge demand for something better. Visa's partnership with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP makes it easier for merchants to accept cryptocurrencies without setting up proprietary technology. Rising public interest has directed Visa firm into the growing industry. The company also seeks to aid the public in its transition to blockchain technology and the use of digital wallets by providing a wallet that stores customer information and grants them access to make point-of-sales transactions and to obtain monetary rewards that can be credited to their account via a cashback system. Moving into a completely different space has its repercussions. How has Visa dealt with the risks of entering the crypto market? Let's find out in a little bit. Competitors of Visa are certainly not giving the firm a break either. MasterCard has embarked on a similar venture with the crypto exchange platform Coinbase on NFTs and Bakkt, so traders in its network can offer crypto-related services. American Express has also said it is exploring the industry using its card and network with stablecoins. However, its CEO has said customers should not expect to see an American Express crypto-linked card anytime soon. Western Union and PayPal have also filed for trademarks for various cryptocurrencies. There are several uncertainties in the crypto industry. That is why you should click on that subscribe button down below. Let's bring you all the latest news on crypto. The crypto industry has also suffered certain setbacks this year. It has not been all rosy, and certainly there is never an inevitable outcome for a market as volatile as the crypto industry. Lenders Celsius and Voyager are two firms that filed for bankruptcy after freezing withdrawal and hedge fund failure. Three Arrows Capital also had its blow-up when billions of dollars were wiped entirely out of the market in days. Visa CFO, concerning the risks associated with the crypto industry, says, "Nothing is free risk. You do the best you can." So far, the risk controls have worked well, and our due diligence has worked well. It seems the firm has got it all covered, and we have less to worry about. As crypto continues to expand, several predictions have been made concerning the market. For more, check out our video titled, "How much will Ethereum be worth in 2030? A price surge or reduction?" Thanks for watching this video. We'll come your way again sometime.